Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are replacing the Wiperblades on this 2018 Toyota Auris, and these are AeroTwin, and this is the part number. On these AeroTwin blades from Bosch, you squeeze these two tabs and lift this lock up, and pull the blade down like so. Okay. So squeeze these two like so. And push up like so, and snap the lock in place. That's it. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. On the passenger side, lift the lock up, pull the blade down, and fish it through. Okay. Let me take a new blade. Fish it through. Like so, till it snaps in place, and then snap the lock into place. Like so. That's it. And for this rear one, I already have a video on this, but hey, let's do it anyway. We take the blade, grab it, and twist. Makes it come off this. Okay. We take the new blade, and squeeze. That's it. Thank you for watching, and remember, like and subscribe, guys, and you'll see me in the next one. See ya.